Hey guys, Joe from American Trucks, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Covercraft UVS100 Custom Sunscreen in blue, fitting all 09 to 14 F150s. Now, something like this is going to be perfect for the F-150 owner who's looking to keep their interior cool on a warm summer day while at the same time protecting and preserving their interior materials. This sunscreen is made out of a rigid foam core and has a nice blue reflective side that matches our blue F-150 pretty well. It also has some fabric stitched around the edge to protect your interior materials, and it also folds up and can be easily stored inside the cabinet of your truck when not in use. So heat is pretty much going to be bad for everything. Not only does it make your truck uncomfortable to get into, but it also causes things to expand, and then when they cool down, contract. This is why plastics crack, this is why leather seats crack, and sometimes dashboards as well. UV radiation in sunlight also sometimes causes things to fade. So something like this, especially when paired with a nice ceramic tint, is gonna dial out a lot of that heat and a lot of that radiation and preserve your interior. Pricing for this sunscreen is going to come in at around 55 bucks. And honestly, to protect your investment, it is well worth the money. Also included in that is going to be a 1-year warranty from Covercraft. Install isn't going to be too bad either. Should only take you a minute to get this in place. Gets an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. So without any further ado, let me show you what this will look like inside of your truck. Now, in order to get this seated, we're gonna start with the shiny side out, then stretch this across the windshield. And as it goes in, make sure it clears this tray on the dash and the passenger side grab handle. And it's basically in place right now. You can even flip down the visors to hold it still. And that is going to do it for my review of the Covercraft UVS100 Custom Sunscreen in blue, fitting all 09 to 14 F-150s. Thank you for watching. I'm Joe. For more videos like this one and all things F-150, please subscribe to American Trucks.